I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Airbnb app, just click on it here or click here on search, then add here Airbnb app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just click on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list, just click here on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store, then you search for Airbnb app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.